In this lecture, we are going to discuss about internal combustion engines and its applications. An internal combustion engine is a type of heat engine that generates mechanical power by burning of fuel within the engine itself. These engines are widely used in various applications including transportation, power generation, industrial machinery and more. Internal combustion engines are classified into two main categories based on the type of ignition. Spark ignition engines. In spark ignition engine, a mixture of air and a volatile fuel, usually gasoline, is compressed within a cylinder. A spark plug that ignites this mixture at a specific point in the compression stroke. The resulting combustion produces a rapid increase in pressure which forces a piston to move within the cylinder, converting the energy of the expanding gases into mechanical work. Gasoline engines are known for their relatively high power to weight ratios and are commonly used in passenger vehicles. Compression ignition engines. Combustion ignition engines, often referred to as diesel engines, operate on a different principle. In these engines, only air is compressed within the cylinder and the temperature and pressure rise significantly during compression. Diesel fuel is then injected directly into the highly compressed air, causing spontaneous ignition due to high temperature. The rapid combustion of diesel fuel generates high pressure, driving the piston and producing mechanical work. Diesel engines are known for their fuel efficiency and torque characteristics, making them popular in heavy-duty vehicles, industry machinery, and power generation. Internal combustion engines come in various configurations including inline, V-shaped, opposed cylinder layouts depending on the number of cylinders and their arrangement. These engines have undergone significant advancements over the years, including improvements in efficiency, emission control, and fuel economy, as well as the development of hybrid and electric vehicles to address environmental concern and energy efficiency. Internal combustion engines find a wide range of application across various industries due to their ability to convert chemical energy from fuel into mechanical work. Here are some common applications of internal combustion engine. Automobiles. Internal combustion engines, both gasoline and diesel, are the primary power sources for most cars, trucks, and motorcycles. They provide the necessary propulsion to transport people and goods on roads. Aircraft. Jet engines, which are a type of internal combustion engine, are used in commercial and military aircraft for propulsion. Piston engines, particularly in smaller planes, are also internal combustion engines. Marine transportation. Internal combustion engine power boats, ships, and other watercrafts. These engines are used for a variety of purposes from recreational boating to commercial shipping. Construction and heavy machinery. Bulldozers, excavators, cranes, and other construction equipment often use internal combustion engines to perform heavy-duty tasks at construction sites. Agricultural machinery. Tractors, combine harvesters, and other agricultural machinery frequently rely on internal combustion engine to plow fields, harvest crops, and perform various farming operations. Power generation. Many power plants use internal combustion engines such as gas turbines and reciprocating engines. to generate electricity. These engines are often employed in peaking power plants, backup generators, and in remote areas where grid connectivity is limited. Industrial applications. Internal combustion engines are used in various industrial applications such as driving pumps, compressors, and machinery in manufacturing plants and factories. Mining. Heavy machinery used in mining operations such as haul trucks and drilling rigs are powered by internal combustion engines. Rail transportation. Some locomotives and trains are equipped with diesel engines to provide locomotion. Off-road vehicles. All-terrain vehicles, snowmobiles, and dirt bikes often use small internal combustion engine for recreational and utility purposes. Electric power generation. Hybrid vehicles combine internal combustion engines with electric motors to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The internal combustion engine generates electricity to recharge the vehicle's batteries or directly drive the vehicles. Military applications. Internal combustion engines are widely used in military vehicles, tanks, armored personnel carriers, and other defense applications. Emergency services. Fire engines, ambulances, and other emergency response vehicles are typically equipped with internal combustion engines to reach incident sites quickly. Recreational vehicles. Many motorhomes and recreational vehicles use internal combustion engines for propulsion. Gardening and lawn care. Lawn mowers, leaf blowers, and other outdoor equipment often use small internal combustion engines. Pumps and generators. Portable pumps and generators, often used in construction and emergency situations, are powered by internal combustion engines. These are just some of many applications of internal combustion engines. They are valued for their versatility, power, and ability to efficiently convert fuel into mechanical work, making them essential in various industries and everyday life. Thank you.